The number of animals coming into our wildlife program each day varies. So for example, during possum and bird season, we could have upwards of 20 plus animals coming into our shelter, whereas during squirrel season, our program probably sees roughly 10 on average because their litters are a lot smaller. We are caring for about 40 to 60 animals in our wildlife program. Currently, the species included in our wildlife rehabilitation program includes small mammals such as possums, eastern gray squirrels, southern flying squirrels, rabbits, and then songbirds like blue jays, mockingbirds, grackles, and doves. It's different caring for wildlife versus domestic animals because we are closely monitored by the state and also at a federal level, since there are certain cage requirements we need to have for each individual species. We also are a lot different because we have to have limited interaction with them and we can't handle them too much so they don't imprint and rely on humans when it's time for them to be released back into the wild. A day in the life of our wildlife rehabilitation program starts off with our wildlife technicians coming in bright and early to start cleaning and feeding all of our animals. And then you'll see in our time-lapse video of our squirrels in our pre-release enclosure that they are super active during the day because they're learning how to climb, they're learning how to dig for food, and exercising and just figuring out their bearings. The big box on the wall is a hide house. It's to replicate something like a tree. So when they're out in the wild, they're going to search for something similar to that to hide inside and to feel safe in. In our pre-release enclosure, our squirrels are eating a variety of nuts, seeds, fruits, and nutrient-filled grain bars. Some fun facts you may not know about squirrels is that they are super acrobatic, intelligent, and adaptable. So they actually will run in zigzags to escape predators out in the wild. And squirrels are actually known for contributing to a majority of our trees in our nation's forests by losing the nuts that they bury. The future of our wildlife rehabilitation program here at the SPCA Tampa Bay is to hopefully start working with more and more species as our resources allow.